What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of The Scuba Driver. My name is Steven. Today we got a different car in the garage. We've got Josh's, what year is this?
2011 Hyundai Elantra.
This is 2011 Hyundai Elantra. As you can see, we already got it up in the air. So we're doing something special to it today. It's got the Speed Hunters logo on there. Got some Pikachu action. 50 horsepower. And I don't know much about anime, but we got some pretty
I like to call it
pretty cool, interesting anime stickers. He calls it the Weebmobile.
Yeah.
We got these ladies back here. We got this, and we got the man himself, Josh. You want to show us what we're doing to your car today?
So we are going to be installing this super epic LED underglow kit on my car. Got it off Amazon for about $70. Super excited. It's going to be the first ever underglow kit that I'm installing. So let's see how it goes.
Awesome. So I'll let you guys check this out. If you guys want to, go pick it up on Amazon. Looks like it's going to be awesome. I've actually always wanted to do the chasing lights on my car too.
If you want, link it down in the description.
We're going to link it in the description. So anyways, we got the car up in the air. We're going to get to work. Let's do it. And we got Kevin over here hiding, looking at the mess that I made in his toolbox. So yeah, sorry about that, dude. Anyways, let's get to it. All right, we got them test wired. Check it out. They're actually really bright, and we got the LED lights going on right now too.
For some reason, it's unconnected.
Oh. All right, let's see the chasing.
Oh, that's so cool, dude.
Oh my gosh.
I love that so much.
That's gonna look sick, dude. Awesome. Let's get to work.
I don't know.
All right, so we don't even have them on the car yet, but Kevin got them wired. And we got them kind of laid out where they need to go. Oh my gosh, look at all the different patterns. What do you think, Josh?
No words, man. No words.
All right, we'll get back to this whenever they're back on the car. I'll show you guys how we did it. All right, doing another test run. Dude. Oh my gosh.
Oh, man, dude.
Whoa.
Woo. That's nice.
That looks incredible.
That's crazy.
It's unreal.
Those people just drove by and they're like,
how
what
bright those are.
Dude. Mind if I get in it real quick?
Get in there.
Dude, that is insane. wait, hold up. Let me try a different side.
All the different chasing modes. Wow.
Just white? Okay. Ooh. Okay.
It says hundreds of settings.
Yeah, that's the coolest one.
All right.
Number one. It's like
We got it on the car. Dude,
oh
check
God,
it out.
Dude, it looks
So what number setting is that?
This is actually number one.
Number one.
Yeah.
Number one is a...
Freaking love it, dude.
Whoa.
Oh.
Holy cow.
Oh, it looks so good.
Looks
It would look a lot better if it was lower, but it still looks so good.
Oh, yeah.
All right, you ready for me to turn the car on?
Yeah, let's pull it out and get it on the street, man. Oh, dude. That looks so good. The chasing effect looks so cool. I know he is so happy. Whoa. We need to give him some new. It looks really cool.
Wow.
That looks sick.
Really cool.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That looks so good. Oh man, I know he's pumped. That's fun. I'm just gonna run through a few of the settings. I know it has at least 120 settings. But probably just like endless more, huh?
I don't see why you need
That's you, Steven.
I like it. I like the red.
That's so cool.
Good job, Josh.
Thank you. but couldn't have done it without your help. So thank you.
Of course, man.
It looks so good.
It looks really, really good.
That blue looks so good.
That'd be some Knight Rider. Like that. Change it back to that.
Wait, change it back to what?
Do it on that one, but red.
It's crazy how many patterns you have on there.
Like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Look how cool that looks.
Wait, from the back angle?
That's like Knight Rider.
Knight Rider.
All right, quick transition. We're in Kevin's new BMW, which we haven't even talked about yet, but we're gonna get some rollers of Josh. Gonna do launch control on his new BMW. I'm not gonna tell you what BMW it is, but I'll just let you guys take a wild guess. All right, well, it's officially after midnight, and we just got done installing Joshua's new LED underglow kit, and we had a great time. I didn't film too much of the process because it's pretty straightforward. Once you get it, you'll figure it out. You just run the wires through your fender liners, attach it to the battery, and then everything's controlled by the phone. So it's pretty easy. It's just a little time consuming. Really, we just had a good time hanging out, so just thought I'd make a video. Anyways, huge shout out to Kevin for helping us with that install. We had a great time with Joshua. He just took off. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Oh, it would be cool if you could do like a